Hi everyone, my name is Frank. Today I'm going to present my final project for CSCI-E59. I'm going to share three parts on the slide. First, the project overview. Second, the scenario. And last, I'm going to share some sample queries on the datasets. So let's begin. This project contains data of an imaginary institution. Let us call it New School. New School has information about its department, professors, student counseling, courses offered, courses students selected to get admission, and also student performance in different examinations. This data set is all about the performance of two people, the professors and the students, in a particular time frame. The most frequently used functions will be to pull information about students in relation to their performance and also everyday operations like fetching information about the students and professors. Here is a typical scenario, like a typical workday that Morgan will experience. Morgan is an HR person working in New School. Her duty is to organize data and present relevant data to stakeholders in a legible format. This is an overview of the ER diagram of the schema. It consists of four tables: counseling for students, the department ID and the departments, employees, which is also the professors, and the performance of each student. Next, I want to share some sample queries for daily operations. Now, the first query, it's a scenario where someone asked Morgan to display all the IDs for students who were admitted to the Center for Distant Engineering Education Program department. In this case, a simple query like select from table school, where department admissions equal ID, will get the job done. The second query, someone comes to Morgan and asks her to display all of the employee ID in the school of management department, ordering them from youngest to oldest. This step are the same like the previous query, but just adding an order by and descent order will get the job done. And third query, sometimes the column name can be unclear for viewers. In this case, Morgan renamed the abbreviation to a more defined term, hence using the S statement will change the name of the columns. In this case, it's date of birth and date of job. Now, query 4 can be a little tricky, right? Presenting data in a clear way also need extra work. That's why Morgan used the join statement to combine the employees table and department table to display the department name in words instead of the department ID. The combined result will show things clearer without going back and forth different tables to find out which department each employees belong. And the last query is perhaps the most commonly used on a regular day. A professor wants to know how many students scored between 90 to 100 on the paper. In this case, combining the between and statement will display the intended result. And with that, it sums up my presentation for this project. Thank you for your time.